Welcome to Goodwills. Here's another dependable vehicle that qualifies for our custom finance program. This is a 2002 Chrysler Voyager, the vehicle with enough space for you and yours. It has a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a rear window wiper, tinted glass, driver and passenger multi-stage airbags, and this vehicle has fewer than 57,000 miles on the odometer. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive. Goodwills is located in Elwood City, Pennsylvania and Calcutta, Ohio. For 20 years, we've helped tens of thousands of people find dependable, affordable transportation with financing programs available for customers with good, bad, and no credit. We say yes when others say no. Come see us today and drive home happy.